Shopping Yukon? You should consider the entirely new Ford Expedition. It's re-engineered from the ground up to take on Yukon where it matters most. Starting inside, smart tip and slide second row seats take the heavy lifting out of getting to the third row. And with more room in the second and third rows, your guests are more comfortable. The story continues with driver-friendly technology. Yukon has radar-based cruise control, but only Expeditions can bring you to a full stop and back to its cruising speed without ever touching a pedal. And there's utility. Expedition tows more than Yukon, and if you ever found backing in a boat or trailer challenging, you'll appreciate how easy Expedition makes it. It's little wonder then why Autoblog says Expedition is king, taking on Yukon where it matters most. Welcome to the entirely new Ford Expedition, the new definition of an SUV.